Hey everyone, welcome back to Code of the Row. In this video, we're going to be going over the Unreal Engine 5 free for the month assets, and these ones are actually looking pretty good. So let's go ahead and start off with the Stylized Paris Street by Stylized. So as soon as I open this up, this actually is giving Kingdom Hearts 2 vibes, in that starting area, at least to me. So it does look pretty nice to me. I love how stylized it is. There's a lot of nice textures going on the walls. Moving foliage, there's some dust particles, very misty and foggy. And yeah, you'll see some vegetation growing along the walls there. And yeah, it looks pretty cute. Love the art style. It's giving a very hand painted vibe. But yeah, this trolley right here really does remind me of Kingdom Hearts 2. Next up, we have these rocket thrusters, and these are by Shogun Games. I think they look amazing. They look super cool. I've actually never had a rocket thruster assets in Unreal before. And yeah, my screen's going a little crazy with this lens glare, but you can see all the really cool different types of rockets. There are even some really, really big ones, like these rocket plumes. And this one, which is more suitable for your character. And yeah, overall, I really like the amount of effects that you get with this pack. And let's move on to the next one. Next up is the Fantasy Characters Pack by Bergamov. And you can see just a ton of different types of animations. It's rigged to the Unreal Engine skeleton. You can see all the basic parts here. And if you go on the right of the characters, you'll see the modular pieces that the characters can have. Really good for stuff that has like an inventory system and all that. And this guy's extremely ripped, definitely on roids. And there's a werewolf type dude, an assassin. This guy's been through a lot. And then back here, you can see all the animations. These are some really nice, high quality animations. I'll definitely be extracting these for my games and using them on my Cinti characters. And you'll also see a few enemies in this pack. Next up, we have the Cave Ruins by Pack Dev. And this is giving borderline stylized slash realistic, kind of like you're in a dungeon, giving some sort of Souls-like cave vibe. The glare on this water is kind of insane. But yeah, overall, a really nice looking asset. And now let's move on to the next one. And next, and finally, we have the Temples of Cambodia by Scans Factory. And this is definitely giving Black Myth Wukong vibes. So this is the outdoor portion, and we'll actually go over the indoor in just a second. And yeah, lots of sun rays, lots of temple-like structures. And if we were to go indoors, then yeah, we'll see this giant statue. Holy crap, it's a little bright. Okay, there we go. But look directly at it, it gets way too bright. And yeah, overall, really high quality, nice looking structures. And that covers our free for the month provided by Epic Games for October. Thanks for watching Code of the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video. Let me know which pack is your favorite and what are you going to be using them for.